TOCG-3041 Calibration Demo. First, you can choose to mount the unit on a matching table or mount it on the wall. After installation, open the top cover first. Let me introduce its internal structure to you. From left to right, this is the sample switching valve. When the water sample tube is oriented downward, its water sample tubing selection is the online water sample tube. If the valve is rotated to the right, one of its water sample tubes will be switched to offline mode. This is the peristaltic pump responsible for drawing sample water. This is the UV lamp, where TOC is oxidized into carbon dioxide. Below are the system lines. This is the online sample tube. This is the reflux tube. This is the waste drain. And this is the offline inlet tube. That concludes the introduction of the internal structure. Now let's start the calibration demonstration. Preparations on site. 1 bottle of 500 micrograms per liter standard solution. 1 bottle of pure water. 1 waste bucket. After connecting all water lines and preparing standard solution and pure water, tap adjust. We offer multiple calibration modes: 0 calibration, single point calibration, 2-point calibration, and multi-point calibration. Let's start with single point calibration. Enter the known concentration of your standard sample here. United is micrograms per liter. We'll use 500 micrograms per liter as an example, so enter 500. Before starting single point calibration, place the inlet tube into the prepared 500 micrograms per liter standard solution. Tap adjust and the instrument will run the calibration automatically. This process takes about 7 to 8 minutes. Once the result value updates, calibration is complete. Tap Save to update the TOC constant of the instrument, then tap Close. Single point calibration is finished. Next, 2-point calibration. Tap Test Call. The first point is pure water calibration. Place the inlet tube into the pure water container. Enter the pure water concentration here. We use 0.0 for pure water. The standard solution concentration field below does not need manual input. The system will use the default 500 micrograms per liter automatically. Tap Adjust. The instrument runs pure water calibration automatically, which takes 7 to 8 minutes. Wait for the result value to update. We recommend repeating measurement 3 times or waiting for data to stabilize. Remove the inlet tube from pure water. Wipe it clean. Then place it into the standard solution and tap Next. The instrument runs standard solution calibration automatically, which takes another 7 to 8 minutes. After the result value updates, repeat 3 times or wait for data stabilization. Tap Close to complete calibration. Here, we have completed the 2-point calibration procedure for TOCG-3041.